Hello everyone, here we have this 2018 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4 shown here in a glossy black. This Ram features a 5.7 liter HEMI V8 producing 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. That power is mated through an 8-speed automatic transmission. This particular example has under 62,000 kilometers. Today I'm going to take you on a quick walk through the vehicle, show you some features as well as some overall impressions. So one of the first things you notice as you approach this truck, it is equipped with Ram's intelligent access system. So just have key on your person, put your hand behind the handle, unlocks for you right away. You gain easy access to the vehicle. Once inside, you can see power windows all around, automatic for the driver and passenger side, power door locks and power adjustable mirrors. A nice amount of storage in the door panel as well. You also have this gorgeous wood paneling throughout the vehicle. Now taking a look at these very comfortable black leather bucket seats with the Laramie badge in the center. White accent trim with power adjustment down below, including power lumbar. You can also see your memory seating controls as well. Taking a step inside, on your left you have your lighting controls. Mounted on the side of the steering wheel, your power adjustable pedals. Mounted on the steering wheel, some controls for the center display as well as some phone integration. And on the right you have your cruise control. Audio controls are just mounted behind the steering wheel. This is a push to start vehicle, so just foot on the brake and tap the button. Vehicle starts right up, and as you can see, has 61,785 total kilometers on the odometer. Now this display, you can scroll through the various settings, displays, messages, audio, trailer tow trip information or speedometer. But moving over to your main infotainment screen here, nice large 8.1-inch display. You can see on the left side AM/FM radio as well as Sirius XM. Can also connect your phone via Bluetooth, USB, or auxiliary. Move over to the climate section. You have dual zone automatic climate control in the vehicle. And your controls here, you can see you have heated seats for both the passenger and driver side. They are also vented. And you do have a heated steering wheel, which is nice. I'll throw it in reverse and show you the backup camera. Also does have parking sensors in both the front and rear. Moving down below, some physical controls for a lot of the same functions I just mentioned. Trailer brake controller, tow haul, traction control on and off button, as well as the parking sensors on and off for the front and rear. You have a household AC plug on the right side, a little bit of storage, and on the left side you have your shifter, as well as the selector for your 4x4 system. You have 2-wheel, 4 high and 4 low, as well as 4 automatic. Nice amount of storage in the center console here, 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders, and you have a 2-stage center console. In the top stage, you have your 2 USBs and auxiliary I mentioned before, and on the bottom stage, nice deep pocket, store whatever you need. Passenger side seats in great shape as well. And as we look around, you also have an auto-dimming rearview mirror, garage door controls, the controls for your rear slider of the glass. This vehicle is also equipped with the Alpine premium audio system. And overall, just a really comfortable place to spend some time. And taking a look at your wheel package here, you have Ridge Track all-terrain tires riding on 20-inch chrome aluminum alloy rims. Plenty of tread left on these tires as well. And the rims in fantastic shape. Taking a look at the rest of this glossy black exterior, we have a very tasteful amount of chrome around the vehicle. You can see your parking sensors up front, LED accent lighting as well. Chrome running boards down below to match the chrome handles, chrome mirrors, and the wheels of course. As we look in the bed, we have a wood box liner. See some of your badging down below, as well as your rear parking sensors and that dual outlet exhaust as well. 4x4. Now this vehicle is also equipped with a remote start system from factory, so just make sure the vehicle is locked and then just double tap on the remote. It'll beep a couple times and start right up. See those LED tail lights. Turn it off, it's the exact same process, just double tap. And it also does have a locking tailgate. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's nice that you can access it from the remote. Nice spacious bed. Do have tie-down points in all 4 corners. Box liner definitely helps protect your paint. And moving on to the back seats, you can see a lot of the materials carry over. You get the same gorgeous wood trim, white accent stitching, tons of storage, and power windows, of course. Taking a look at the carpeted floor mats, mat pockets behind both the passenger and driver side of the vehicle. In the center, the 12-volt outlet, as well as the heated seats for the rear. 2 cup holders, tons of space back here. Seats are in fantastic shape, and you do have a center folding armrest padded with cup holders. Now these are 60/40 wrist split seats, so just by lifting up on the bottom, fold up, giving you a little bit more cargo area within the cabin. So that was a quick look at this 2018 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4. If you'd like to learn more information about this vehicle or any other vehicle we have in stock, just visit parkmazda.ca. If you have a special interest in this vehicle and would like to come down for a test drive, just fill the form online, come down, and we'll hook you up with your choice of either $25 Visa prepaid card or 50 air miles or war miles. We'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.